You are going to love the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, overhead console, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.